get inside this pot and you'll be cooked for 1 hour. Oh, Killy! Hey, Killy! If I see Harry, if I see Harry, if I see Harry, yes, mother, yes, mother, speak to me. Yes, mother, I can feel your presence.
Hold it there. No, we can't continue with this, my daughter. I cannot continue with this. It's too dangerous. Chetechi.
Father, it is better to die for something than to live for nothing. What is life without my star? What is life without my glory? What is life without my destiny? I will do it. Continue.
Yes, I can feel your presence, mother. Thank you.
She is coming with fire and brimstone. Her anger is furious and windy. If care is not taken, you will not survive this. I will survive. I cannot be defeated when I have someone like you as my spiritual leader. Guide me through. You must be fortified for the battle ahead. Utendo, you will pass the night in a coffin. What? I will pass the night in a coffin? That is the only way to make you indestructible. If you go home tonight without this fortification, she will kill you like a rat. Are you ready to be fortified? I am ready. I am ready to use my soul as a collateral to protect my wealth that I have acquired. I am ready. Now get ready to be fortified.
Leprosy Farrell. Leprosy.
Hey, quiet! Farrell. Have you seen it? Have you seen why I did not want her to go into this pot? How can you cook a human being in this pot and expect the person to survive? You see, you've killed my daughter. Amaka, you've killed my daughter!
Down, old man. Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Where is she?
I said calm down. What you don't know is bigger than you. She's coming.
Who is coming? Who?
She's coming. She's coming.
Who?
Yes. She's coming.
Hey, my daughter is back. Chetachi is back. Oh.
How do I break the yoke?
Congratulations for a successful fortification. You are now indestructible. No harm can come near you. You can now do wonders. There is a box of money in his room. No matter how he spends his money, it doubles. It never gets finished. Get the box and leave the rest to me.
What did you do this one? You dey mad? Make I go get box. So now because of ordinary box, you fortify me. You cook me, I enter fire because of box. What in the shop now? You don't tell me say make I go collect in manhood. You don't tell me make I collect in brocos, make I collect in head. Now box? Look woman, I need his blood for my glory to be restored. I need him to die. Which one be box? If not because of box, you for go collect them now. What in the shop now? So I just suffer for nothing because of ordinary box. No now. No more now.
Who is there?
Move! Get up! Move! Your son is a murderer. He stole my star. He's a bastard. I have come for him. Where is he? Now.
Hey!
Get up!
He's not around. He's not around. He's not around. He's not around.
Get up! Up! Get up! Come on! Get up! 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 Move! Move!
My wife!
Move!
My wife!
I'm mad.
Hello, sis.
Hello, brother. There is fire on the mountain. Shatashi is here with a gun. She just killed one of the guards. Please come. We need help.
What? What? Alright, I'm coming back immediately. Spark! Reverse!
Okay, sir. Okay,
Take me back!
Alright, sir.
My king, what is it?
Your sister, your stupid sister killed one of my bodyguards. She brought war to my doorstep, and I shall give her war!
Oh my God. What has come over my sister? Why is she doing this? Hi. God.
Spark!
Okay. Sir?
Drive!
Okay. Alright, sir.
Is this what you have turned yourself into? A bloody armed robber.
When a thief breaks into your shop and cuts away with your goods, it would be stupid to call you an armed robber for chasing after the thief with a broken bottle. I have come to take what rightfully belongs to me. My star must be restored. The yoke must be broken.
I will not say this again. Drop this briefcase now, or I will waste you.
Sister, what has come over you? So you rejected the money my husband gave to you only for you to come here to rob?
What I'm holding is not just money. This is a spiritual box that will be used to restore my star. He knows what I'm talking about.
I do not know what you're talking about. Drop the briefcase now!
I will not.
course I want to kill your wife because of me. How much?
That box means a lot to me. It means everything. I mean, my existence. Right? I would go broke if that box failed to return.
Ochendo, so what her sister said is true. That you used her future, that you used her destiny. Hey, Ochendo, why?
Even if it is true, will she be the first person to be used for one ritual? What are you talking about? Is everybody mad in this house?
What's next?
We'll start the ritual of restoring your star back to you at midnight. We'll set this box ablaze in the middle of the night as we invoke your star to come back to you. The yoke must be broken.
I just want to bounce back. I want to go back to the way I used to be.
You are already in the process that leads to your restoration.
Okay.
By this time tomorrow, when we must have done the rituals, things will begin to fall in places for you.
Why do you want to do this to me? What have I ever done to deserve this from you? So my sister was right. You are the one who ruined her life. Uchendo, why are you this wicked?
You will see the real wickedness if your sister does not bring back my box. I cannot go back to poverty. I've tasted wealth, power, and influence. So going back to poverty is a taboo. Now, you are going to talk to your sister in a tone that she would understand. Talk to her. Tell her to bring back my box. Else, I will smash your head on the street with a bullet.
Sister, this is where I am now. I am about to be killed because of the box you took away. Please, when you see this video, call my husband and return the box to him. I don't want to die. Please, I beg in the name of God. Sister, help me. Please, I beg in the name of God. Sister, help me.
Daddy, there's a big problem.
What is it? What is it?
Papa, sister's life is in danger.
Eh?
Yes, this was a video sent to my handset.
Let me see the video.
Yes, by an unknown number.
This is where I am now. I am about to be killed because of the
This
box.
bastard has kidnapped my sister.
When you see this video, call my husband.
I will wipe out his entire family. He will come home and meet their corpses.
No. You have to use wisdom, not action this time. He has your sister. Play by his rules and get your sister back.
The number is calling. It's calling again.
What have you done to my sister, you bastard, you nincompoop, you fool?
Not yet. If you fail to bring back my box, I will kill her and send her corpse to you. I'll give you just 2 hours. 2 hours and she will be dead.
Listen, if anything happens to my sister, if anything happens to a strand of her hair, I swear to God, your entire family will go extinct.
I dare you. In fact, I double dare you to do that. I'm giving you just 2 hours. 2 hours. You will never see your sister again.
Please.
Cry, baby. You can only be free if your sister returns my box.
He needs the box in the next 1 hour.
Then take it back to him and bring your sister.
You say?
Take the box to him.
You don't whine. Make I carry this box, go give him. What about my glory? Wait till I put my glory. Wait, oh. Do you know what it means to lose a glory? Eh? Because you never lose glory before. You just stand, wear white. Let me say, take the box to him. You know what thing goes up, eh? If anything will happen to my sister, make it happen to them. I want to check something. I'm not going to carry this box, give him. I want my glory to be secured. Ah! Abi, you like give me? You're not sincere with me, right? You don't whine me? Don't take me play, I'm not well, oh. Go ask question. I think they stop now.
There are many ways to kill a rat. Take it back to him and bring your sister.
When a child inserts his hand in his anus, he will not go asking his mother why his hand is smelling because he brought it upon himself. You crossed the line the day you took up a fight with me.
Ignorance is indeed a disease. You still see this as a battle? I do not see this as a battle. I see it as a war that will consume you very soon. Where is my sister?
Where is my box?
Where is my sister?
You took my box first, and I kidnapped your sister, so you have to provide that box first. Wait. Let me confirm if this is the real box. What is the real one? That's the real box. Bring her sister. Next time, you are only a child. You took a fight against me? I am a lion. A lion.
I will fight, fight, I don't go look back at all. All the man conspiracy. My destiny
Great one. I've come to keep this box here with you. It's no longer safe in my house. I will come time to time to collect money and spend. As for that wicked girl, that evil girl, I will do everything within my power to see that I send her to the land beyond.
Ochendo, you need to be very careful. She's coming back with another plan to bring you down. You know she can never relent until she gets her star back.
She will never get her star back. I cannot go back to poverty, no. I have tried to help her and she rejected all my offer. She brought war to my doorstep and I will give her war. Yes, I can't go back to poverty. Please stop saying that.
Very well then. You know you are renewing your ritual in the next 2 days. You must be here. And you know the danger of not renewing your ritual at month end. You will run mad and she will have her star restored.
Please stop talking about running mad. I don't want to run mad. I know. In the next 2 days I shall be here to renew my ritual. I have to go now.
Very well.
Sister, I'm sorry for doubting you. I should have believed you when you said Ochendo was the one that ruled your life. I was blindfolded by love. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's only natural to blindly defend somebody when you are in love with that person. The most important thing is you are out of that cursed marriage. My star will be back. That yoke will be broken.
Can Ochendo be this wicked? A man I gave everything. My heart, my body and soul.
He's a beast. He is a monster. He will die a painful death. I will make sure his blood spills on this soil. Even if it's the last thing I do on planet Earth, I will do it.
I must take what's been has been swept. I must take a move. My destiny. I must take what belongs to me back. I must take a move. Nobody seems to understand me, but I must fight to take back what belongs
Mama,
to me. I must fight.
I have been trying to call you since, but you deliberately ignored my calls. I don't like that. What am I hearing? You left the palace and come here to live like a commoner. Why?
Ochendo, what is wrong in living like a commoner? I prefer to live like a commoner than to live like a queen with a cursed crown.
Mama, everything is wrong with your decision. What are you talking about? I am the king of this great kingdom, and of course that should make you more happy. This is what every mother prays for. To see their son become successful in life, irrespective of where the money is coming from.
Ochendo, I care. I am not like every mother out there. I am Okamaka. My mother trained me well. The young lady, you useless her life to make money is someone's child. And I will not be happy if such is done to my daughter. Yekwamunti, listen and listen attentively. Go and undo whatever you have done to that lady, else you have yourself to blame.
Mama, these are baseless accusations. I mean, remember, I'm the king of...
king. Iji go mmadụ wee gwọ ọgwụ ego. I will never be a partner to a crime. Asịna m ihe. Oche ndo chegharịa, oche ndo chegharịa. Chegharịa dị fadịrọ mma. Bịa kwulu, give me facts that you are the king. Nonsense king. You made the money from someone else's destiny. Can you imagine? Onyala, I am not like everybody else. Like I said, I am Okamaka. You don't do that to my own child.
Sudden Bilania, Ochenda one mama, Oliago Nukego, Odabuaga, Italy, Jabendima, Velubutike, Oliago Nukego, Odabuaga, Ochenda, chop money.
What are you saying? How do we get things done?
If you can find a way to stop him from renewing the ritual tomorrow evening, your star will be restored.
He is spiritually fortified. Guns cannot bring him down. How do I stop him from renewing the ritual tomorrow?
Find a way to get him out of the palace. Keep him in your custody for 24 hours. If he doesn't renew the rituals by 4 p.m., he will run mad, and your star and glory will automatically be restored. Find a way to stop him from renewing the rituals.
Ezedibia. 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 A man born of a woman stole my destiny, my star and my glory. With your assistance, I want you to aid me to restore all that I have lost. Ezedibia. 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 I want him out of that palace tonight. It is only the dead that can meet one with the face of another. Meet him with your face and lure him to this place. I will take it up from there.
Great one. I'm surprised to see you. We must renew your ritual this night. The young girl has an underground plan to give you a surprise attack tomorrow morning. So, we must renew your ritual this night.
Thank you, Great One. Thank you for this information. And I'm grateful for looking out for me.
You're welcome, my son. Come with me. Great one. This is not the road to your shrine. Where are we going to?
We are going to the cemetery, where a ritual will be renewed.
The ritual is always renewed in your shrine and not the cemetery. What is going on?
You ask too many questions. Follow me.
So is it?
sit on the grave. This is a new way of renewing your ritual.
Return to your abode, Ezedibia.
Brother, where is he? His car is parked outside. Where could he have gone to? Where is my brother? Where is the king?
The king should be inside. His car is here.
That's what I'm saying. He's not inside. Where is he?
Please call him off now.
The number is not going. That bastard must have taken my brother away. What were you doing? What were you doing when Chetashi came here and kidnapped my brother?
Nobody came here to kidnap the king.
That's because you're dumb. All you do is eat, sleep, wake up and defecate. But pray I find my brother. If not, you will not live to tell the story. They are coming. They are coming for you. She's coming with the police to arrest you. You have to leave now.
Let's go. What about you? Let's go.
I said go! Male or female, cockroach or ant, arrest them, lock them up until my brother is found.
Nobody.
At all.
Madam, nobody is found.
What? Those idiots, they might be hiding under the bed, ceiling, bust them out, shoot if they tries to run.
Madam, like I say, we found nobody in there.
Kosi! If you can hear me, tell your lunatic sister to release my brother. She should release him or else I will send her back to prison. Both of you will rot in jail if anything happens to my brother. I promise you that you will never see the sky again.
Madam, please calm down. Nothing will happen to your brother. We will look for a way and get your brother back, okay? Please.
Hey! Chatachi!
Every charm has an expiring date. Today marks the end of your charms and manipulations. You are in my cage now. There is no escape for you anymore.
How did I get here? What did you do to me? How did I get here?
Thank your chi, I do not want to kill you. That's the reason you're still alive.
No. You need to release me right now. Please. I have an important place to go. Please, I need to be there. I need to go back to the palace and go to that meeting. Please. I beg you with everything that you worship. Release me right now. Okay, whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Just tell me the amount. Please. Please.
I already know where you want to go to. You want to go to your evil altar, where you exchanged my destiny for yours. Today is the day you're supposed to renew your ritual, right? Deny it. Deny it!
Yes, I agree. I used your star. I exchanged your destiny for mine. But I'm sorry about that, please. You need to untie me, please. I do not want to go back to poverty. I don't want to run mad. Please, I beg you, release me. Alright. Let's go into negotiation. How much do you want? I'm ready to give it to you. Any amount.
I do not want anything from you. All I want is for my star to be restored. You remain here till the cock crows. In 20 minutes from now, you'll run mad. My star will be restored and the yoke will be broken. What a day to be alive.
Chitachi, shoot me. Kill me and let me die. I do not want to go through the torture of running mad. I do not want to experience poverty. So it is better you kill me here and now. You have neutralized my powers. So, shoot me! Chitachi, shoot me!
You know what? Death is not meant for men like you. Men like you deserve to go through the life of pains and agony. Your sister is out there, searching all over the place for you with the police. I'm going to call her right now and tell her where you are, that you're about to run mad.
No! 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 No!
Come on. Time. Let's go.
What is it? Are you okay? Brother, what is it?
Who are you?
I'm Goma, your sister.
Huh?
Yes.
My enemy.
No, I'm your sister.
No, my enemy. Hey, do.
No, I'm your sister.
My enemy. I killed my enemy. I killed my enemy. My enemy. I killed my enemy. My enemy. Young lady, your star has been restored to you as Ochendo could not renew the ritual. What else do you want?
I want you dead. You do not deserve to live. I'm here to ensure that you're not able to perform such wicked rituals again. How can someone work so hard for many years to be successful, and then you end up transferring that person's wealth to some lazy ass all in the name of money ritual?
Money ritual has been existing before you were born, and you are too little to do anything about it. Now, go home and enjoy your wealth before I turn you to an animal of my choice.
Really?
Obelensi! Kagayogu! Anuki Vekambo! Anu Borokure Jono! It takes sincerity for a rat to challenge a white cat to a fight. You have the guts to come to my shrine to challenge me. I will destroy you the way I destroy everyone that dares Okedibia!
I can't bear this anymore. I can't bear this body anymore.
Kawai! Taka! Kawai! I am your king. I am your king, I told you. Take it.
Hey! I suffered to tread this treatment. I warned you, but your greediness will not allow you to say the truth. Tell your brother he's doing evil. Ejo, he continued doing evil, and we're supporting him. They're the brother. My only son, mad. I love Popo. My only daughter, blind in one eye.
Kawai!
Hey!
I told you. I will be your king. I will be your king. Yes, I am your king. Kawai! Obunigwe. Atasa. Kawai! To.
Dimpa mmadụ dị akpala mmadụ na apụala. Hey!
They are coming. To. Kawai! I am your king.
Sister, I'm thinking of starting something small for myself.
Greetings, young ladies.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You must be Chetachi Umuna, right?
That's my name, any problem?
My name is Miss Gloria Sadebe, and here with me,
Officer Peter.
we are from Softel Logistics Company, We've been looking for you for the past 1 week.
Everywhere.
But thank God that someone directed us to this place. Good to meet you again, ma.
What is it? What do you want from me?
It's been discovered that the containers which the firearms was found wasn't yours.
Yes.
They did not belong to you.
Yes.
There was a mistake somewhere. You were wrongly accused, arrested and jailed.
Yes.
But those who were involved in this terrible mistake have been arrested and sued to court.
Yes. All of them.
But there is good news for you. The government have decided to reward you by releasing all your containers and your properties to you.
My God!
The government have decided to compensate you. And all your accounts have been unfrozen.
Yes. All.
Hey!
Released all your accounts.
Sister, you're back to your glory. Thank you, Jesus.
The yoke has been broken.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Documents. What's
This is real.
not true?
Not true. Sister.
Curse you.
Sister Jamaica.
Ah, my glory don't come back. Oh, my glory don't come back. Oh, my glory don't come back. Okay. Just thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Hey! My star is back. My name. I'm seeing my name. All over the place.
Chikwado, that was what happened. We were under duress in everything we did. He even forced us to swear by the offer of Ohofia that we will crown him and pay allegiance to his rule. And you know what that means? That is the problem we are facing. But in all this, we believe that the ghost of Ohofia will intervene. And today, the ghost of Ohofia is intervening. And you are going to be crowned the king of Ohofia.
What kind of desperation is that? And one of you should have whispered it to my ears. There is no oath sworn under duress that cannot be broken.
My son, you will not understand. You will not understand what we passed through. It was terrible.
Hey! That boy is very desperate.
It's okay. It's time to perform the tradition.
Ohafia,
Chikwado, come and take your crown.
No.
No. We are going to give him Eze Amanageji one of Ohofia Kingdom. Bring your hand. That's good. By the power vested on me as the traditional prime minister of Ohofia Kingdom, I hereby crown you Eze Amanagechi, one of Ohofia Kingdom. My son,
no.
This is the offer of Ohofia. You will go wherever you are going with this offer.
you will use the offer to scare your enemies away. Take it.
I can't bear this anymore.
I'm not get you. I'm a see here. I'm a see here. I go get cable.
My elders are with you. Our people always say, Anazo is Azo. When a man forces himself to a position where he does not belong, he will be forced out of that position by the gods. We'll join the rest of us.
You know, it feels good to be back. Not just back and better. Everything that I lost is back. I want to use this medium to apologize to my barber for accusing him wrongly. You know, sometimes the universe, they use the wrong face to pass the right message to us. What I would have done is, I would have sought for answers after having that dream, not going to another barbing salon to barb my hair. Thank God, like I said, everything I lost is finally back. We should be strong in whatever religion we believe in. We should keep our hands clean and stay away from evil. Live a good life. We will smile at the end of the day. My Baba, I hope you forgive me for accusing you wrongly.
I've forgiven you.
Thank you. Cheers to more success, long life and prosperity. In Jesus' name. Amen. Cheers.
I can't bear this anymore. I can't bear this body anymore. I have lost everything I worked for, to the end of wicked ones. I must take what's behind to me back. I must take it, I must take a more. I must take what's behind to me back. I must take a more. My destiny, I must take what's been has been swept. I must take a more. My destiny, I must take what's been has to me back. I must take a more. Nobody seems to understand me, but I must fight.